Hi guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way and how you can add a size chart here on Shopify Dawn theme. So first thing that you should do is you just have to make sure that you have logged into your Shopify store. Okay, and then here in your online store, you just have to make sure that you have published the Shopify Dawn theme. So currently, this is what we are using for our theme. After that, just have to proceed to the product section, this one, and then you just have to select the products that you want to customize. So for example, this one, as you can see, we only have one image for this product. So the easiest way is you just have to upload the size chart right here as well. So for example, since we already have the image for this product, so we're just going to add a new media for this one, and then here you just have to select your size chart image. For example, this one, then you just have to tap on the open option. So after that, just wait for a couple of seconds. And once the file is uploaded, you just have to tap on the done option. And as you can see, we already have here now the size chart. And then do not forget to save your changes. Okay, and then let us try to preview this product. Okay, so let's just go to our online store. And then here you have the three dots. Just have to tap on this one and then tap on the preview option. And then another tab will open right here, and let us try to see when we tap on this product. As you can see, the size chart is here as well. So whenever your customer visit your website and then tap on this product, then the size chart is already here. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.